Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's SwiftUI tutorial, we are going to build a beautiful dynamic list of items using SwiftUI. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up on your skills, this example will help you understand how to use the list, custom cells and simple data binding. Let's get started. In this video, we will use the SwiftUI list, MVVM pattern and clean UI. So open your Xcode and create new SwiftUI project. Name it SwiftUI item list and make sure the interface is set to SwiftUI. Now the project is created. Let's start by creating a model to represent each item in our list. We will call it item. Let's create a file. Name will be item and it will have a title, subtitle and an optional system image name. Let's create a struct item with identifiable ID, title, subtitle, image name. This will be an optional. This model conforms to the identifiable protocol, so SwiftUI can uniquely identify each row within the list loop. Next, let's create a view model that will hold our array of items. This allows our view to react to any changes in data automatically. So let's create item model. Let's name item list view model. Create a class item list view model with observable object. Now we will use published with items. Now design how each row will look like. We will use an abstract for layout and optionally display an image if it exists. Now let's create a new struct with name item row view. Struct item row view. In this we will use abstract. We will set a condition for optional image will skip the else part. Now we will use vstack for the title subtitles. We will use text to show the text. Item.title. Now we will set the font with headline. Again for subtitle we will set the font subheadline with foreground color gray. We will also set the alignment leading with spacing 4. Let's check how it look like. Okay, that's great. Using system name, let's us use SF symbols for quick clean icons. Now let's put everything together in the main view using a list. Let's create new struct item list view. Within this we'll use state object or view model. By using the state object we will get the real-time elements from the view model class if you will use the REST API's response. Now let's use navigation view. In this we will use the list. Within the data we have to pass the items. Okay, you can see the data is displaying on the simulator canvas view. Now let's set some list style. We'll use insert grouped, which is the default one. Now set navigation title, tag topics. With just a few lines of code, we now have a working scrollable list with custom rows. Let's run the preview simulator. Let's run on simulator once. We have to call this item list view within the SwiftUI item list app. Instead of this you have to call item list view. Now let's run the app. Okay, you have got a beautiful list showing technologies with clean styling and images. Now if you want to open a different screen on top of every row and show details, you can wrap each row in a navigation link like this. Within the label you have to pass ItemRowView and navigation link. You can just show text, or you can also use different views. Let's test this. Or let's tap on. As you can see, this is opening the different screen. Let's quickly review what we did. We created a model and a view model, built a custom row. We used SwiftUI list and NavigationView, combined them into a clean UI. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on future SwiftUI tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want me to cover swipe actions, animations or data from an API next. Thank you.